Okay, this one is what? What is the green one?
Lemon.
Lime or lawn clippings?
Lawn clipping is grass. We're gonna eat grass. Who's gonna eat grass? You or you?
Lasang grass. Ah? Lasang grass?
Did you eat
Kasi
grass?
parang magkaano naman ang
Did you
lime.
get grass?
Ang sinit?
Mommy, did you eat grass?
I think so.
I
Oo.
want to see, I want to see. And next, Tutti Frutti.
Or?
Lucky.
Luki-luki. Tutti Frutti or? Stinky socks.
Oh my God.
That's what they eat. That's what
Oo,
they
ang
eat.
baho. Hindi mo naman maaamoy eh. Hanggat kagadin mo eh. I-break the shell eh. So hindi ka makadaya.
And that's the next one.
Wait lang.
Who doesn't have this yet? Mommy eating the food.
Okay, what's next? Ano yan natin, Mai? Pink one? Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks? Okay, 1, 2, go. Ay, Tutti Frutti!
I ate Tutti Frutti too. I ate
Stinky Socks? Kasi malalaman mo, Tutti Frutti, matamis siya eh. Matamis? Amoy?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Maamoy kasi kapag
Mommy,
Stinky.
1, 2,
Masarap
3,
ba?
go.
Ano sakto? Baka hindi masarap yan.
Mommy,
Sakto lang.
next one.
Baka para kang,
Those are the ones for putting the...
Ang Stinky Socks kasi baho talaga eh.
Hindi ba mabaho?
Tutti Frutti rin kay Ate Mai.
This one, you try.
Later pa yan. What's next, ate?
Okay, this one.
Oh, sige na, lagay na. We're finished now with the white one, love.
How
What
about...
Later, Tita Said, try this. What we're gonna try
This one.
next? Put it back.
Mom, you're gonna try whatever, but you have to think of the same one.
Oh, let's try ano.
What?
Booger.
Try booger too.
Booger or what's the other one? Juicy pear.
Burger ko lang.
I ate it before.
I ate it before. Kumakain niya Ate Yori eat booger eh.
Before.
Yeah, before.
For what?
I think until now.
You tell her. I'm gonna
Ay,
choose.
akin pear.
I'm gonna...
Pagkainin mo na,
Mommy,
kagating
what
mo
you
na
get?
ng bongga.
What you get, Mama? This one.
Matapang yung amoy.
Ang booger yun. Ganyan ang lasa ng kulangot ate.
Mommy, next one. Caramel. No.
Pwede gawa.
Next one. Caramel.
Hindi na kaya nga ng booger.
Stop. Don't eat. No. Don't eat. No.
Wala na to.
Not yet. I didn't say red.
Si Alex na kanina moldy cheese tsaka yung rotten rin kinain lang. What's next? Ano to?
Itim.
May burger ba?
Yun, tinura ni Mai. Skunk spray or licorice?
Kadiri din yung skunk spray.
Ano yung skunk spray?
Naku, amoy pa lang. Bilis ako ganun.
Ayun mo!
Ano yun?
Hati na yan, Daddy.
Oh, daddy ah.
Ano yan?
Hati lang.
Mommy, you change
Hati
na
daw
lang.
kami ni Lolo, oh.
Ay, ayoko.
Try mo lang!
Ano ba yan?
Skunk spray.
Change.
Wag mo amoyin.
Change. You change na lang.
Tignan mo, huwag mo amoyin nga. Tignan mo.
Bang.
Si Mami kanina tinikman, tumikim eh. Kaso toothpaste yung nakuha niya.
Hindi ko na yan kanina yung ano.
Hindi, dog food yun.
Put ang kinain ko.
Hindi naman ano, pangit ang lasa talaga, mabaho lang.
Pamatapang na kami.
Ano,
Pangit din yung parang mapait na iwan.
Pamatapang na kape.
Ano mapait?
But you're not skunk spray.
Oo.
Drink. Skunk spray. Not skunk spray.
Mabaho
that's
yung
not
skunk spray.
Mommy, no.
Mabaho siya eh, pero hindi naman siya as bad.
Mommy,
mas masama yung kulangot.
Mommy.
Ay, talaga?
Mas matapang yung kulangot.
Like, how can I drink? You drink it eh. Who drink it?
Nobody. Nobody.
Nobody?
I
Ghost.
drink it, sorry.
Nasa tapan ko lang.
Hmm.
Dito.
Ah! Next one. The ginger water.
Okay. Next, what's next, ate?
Pip, pip, pip.
This one. Barf and peach? I think, na-try na namin ni Ate May. Na-try na ba natin yan? We already tried the barf and the, ano,
No, this
peach.
one.
But this one daw, the dog food.
Yes, of course.
Give it to Ate May. Gumakainin kay Ate May yan eh.
What is that again?
Ano?
What and what?
Chocolate pudding or canned dog food. I got the chocolate pudding.
Woo! 1 point for mommy.
Yun na
How
naman.
many good ones did you get? How many good ones did you get?
Hindi, sinubukan nila ni Yori sa akin.
Okay. What did you get? I
Who
got one
spit
again.
that out?
Si Ate May.
Di ba you feed that earlier to me? You give that earlier to me.
Ano to? Naka-coating sa loob ang ano. Ayun.
Is that
Um,
is that chocolate? What is that?
Last one na.
That-
Rotten egg or...
Did Daddy May eat this
Ay,
one?
we didn't try the ano buttered popcorn or the...
We already ate that.
What's that na? Yung yellow mo. Ito yan. Pareho tayo.
I have it
Hindi,
already.
it's different.
What is
We haven't tried the moldy cheese or ano. Or...
How about this one?
Oh, later.
Did you try this?
Moldy cheese or caramel corn.
What is this?
Same ba, Ate May?
Same?
Oh, same. Si Alex, sinisimplihan tayo dito. Nakain eh.
Go.
You have to peel up the
Oh my
shell.
gosh.
What? Oh my
Hindi
gosh.
masarap.
What the rock? Yeah.
Ano na?
Ano? Moldy cheese.
Spit out! Spit out!
Hindi masarap din sa'yo?
How did who spit that out?
I did. I don't like it.
Ah! I know it!
Sa Ate May nagmumug.
What is that am I gonna do?
Cleaning ang mouth. Cleaning ang mouth.
Wait! Wait!
Akala ko ba walang ano,
Oh, my,
duraan?
in my water bottle. Water
Hindi
bottle.
niya daw kaya.
Water bottle.
Da-
This one next! This
Daddy,
one.
kaya ni Min.
May duraan.
Kaya ni Minton yung lasa na to mga to.
Didn't try that.
Kala ko naman it's so bad. Oh, wait lang. What is that? Ano?
That's this one. This one. Baby.
Hindi!
This one.
Rotten egg pala yung kanina, Ate
Ito
May.
yung puti.
Buttered popcorn or rotten egg. Ito yung, ano yan, caramel corn or moldy cheese.
Ito.
Di ba para tayo?
Did you get moldy cheese yet? Eat, 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 eat. Oh, eat, eat,
Tamit
eat,
lasa nito.
eat, eat, eat.
Hindi siya, lasang amag. Kami baking water.
Kasi kumakain ng amag.
Yung amoy ng amag na amoy mo din naman kasi.
Mommy, this one you're gonna vote.
We're finished na. We eat up everything.
No, maybe you're gonna get a good one.
No, thank you. I'm done. And say goodbye na. Say goodbye.
Welcome to this video. Thumbs up. I'll be like this video. Bye. Bye. And then
Si Alex yun yung napakinahag.